Monitoring large areas, such as agricultural, and often presents significant challenges. Have you ever faced asset loss due to lack of a comprehensive security camera system? Expensive network and power deployment leading to high installation costs. Loss of video evidence required for claims due to lack of timely intervention. The Dahua SMB solutions integrated solar-powered security can help solve all of these problems. With this solution, you can enjoy continuous 24/7 video recording to avoid property loss. Low-cost deployment with all-in-one design and real-time intrusion alert to preserve video evidence.